My friend, I believe you didn't find this video by accident. Jesus is speaking to you today. He's saying, it's starting for you, my child. A new season, a fresh beginning. A breakthrough is on its way. Maybe you've been in a season of waiting for answers, waiting for healing, waiting for doors to open. You've cried, you've prayed, and at times you've wondered if God even heard you. But hear this today. Your waiting has not been wasted. Isaiah 40 verse 31 says, "But those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles." Jesus is declaring it's starting for you. What you've been praying for, what you've been believing for, is beginning to unfold. The tears you cried in secret, he saw them all. The battles you fought when no one was watching, he was standing right beside you. Revelation 21 verse 5 reminds us, "Behold, I am making all things new." This is the beginning of a turnaround. Your story is not over. The same God who raised Lazarus from the dead, who calmed the storm, who multiplied the loaves and fishes, that same Jesus is moving in your life right now. Jesus says, "My child, I am restoring what was lost. I am renewing your strength. I am bringing beauty from ashes. Trust me, it's starting for you." Hold on to faith. Your season of waiting is becoming a season of breakthrough. When Jesus speaks, everything changes. And today he is saying, it's starting for you, my child. If you believe this word, type amen in the comments and share this with someone who needs hope today.